Assalamu alaikum, I'm Manar from Morocco and you're watching Moroccistani Reactions. आपके रिक्वेस्ट पर आज 10 बेस्ट इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसीज इन द वर्ल्ड पर रिएक्शन होने वाली है. सो बेस्ट इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसीज कौन सी है और पाकिस्तान वाली कौन से रैंक पे है, ये देखने के लिए हम ये वीडियो देखेंगे. लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. 1 2 3.
When it comes to the defensive and offensive power of a country against both national and international threats, intelligence services usually are the ones that hold down the fort. While all the intelligence services of the world nations are best in their own regard, some are actually much superior to others in the execution of their missions. Today we will have a look at 10 best intelligence agencies in the world.
2019.
Number 10. Ministry of State Security, China. Ministry of State Security, or also more commonly known as the MSS, is an intelligence agency that was founded by the state of China back in 1983. The main role carried out by MSS is to provide censorship to internet information in China. In layman terms, the agency cuts off the national population from the information of the outside world and give the power in hands of government to influence the information being portrayed to its people. Number 9. Australian Secret Intelligence Service. This service in its capabilities is often regarded in the same league as the CIA. The main purpose of this agency is to carry out the internal and foreign gathering of intelligence as well as coordinating with other world agencies. Number 8. Canadian Security Intelligence Service. Canada has been ranked in the list of safest countries in the world. Much of the credit to this ranking goes to Canadian Security Intelligence Service, or CSIS, which happens to be the primary intelligence agency serving the nation. The main agenda of CSIS is to protect the country from anything that might jeopardize its national security. Number 7. Directorate General for External Security, France. The Directorate General for External Security, or more commonly known as DGSE, is the intelligence service of France that operates directly under the French Ministry of Defense. The main dealings of this agency are against foreign threats and issues, while handling somewhat national affairs as well. Number 6. Research and Analysis Wing, India. The Research and Analysis Wing, or most commonly known as RAW. It was founded back in 1968 in order to protect India from all sorts of foreign and domestic threats. In addition to this, RAW also monitors any development of threats that might be detrimental for the national security of India. Number 5. Federal Intelligence Service, Germany. The agency was founded back in 1956 and since then has been under direct control of German Chancellery. BND is the only overseas intelligence agency of Germany that has been tasked with responsibilities like gathering not only military but also civil information. Number 4. Central Intelligence Agency, USA. Central Intelligence Agency, or more commonly known throughout the globe as the CIA, is the main intelligence agency of the United States of America. The main responsibilities of the agency are to gather intelligence information from overseas. With the CIA being founded back in 1945, it is among the oldest intelligence agencies of the world. Number 3. Secret Intelligence Service, or MI6, UK. Secret Intelligence Service, or more commonly known as MI6, is the intelligence bureau of the United Kingdom. With it being used as a primary plot of the James Bond movies, the agency is ranked as one of the most well-known agencies in the world. Formed 100 years ago, MI6 is undoubtedly one of the oldest operating intelligence services across the globe. Number 2. Mossad.
Russia.
Mossad is the main intelligence service operating in Israel, which also happens to be a nuclear country. Mossad happens to be the part of the Israeli intelligence community as one of its 3 branches. It is responsible for gathering information about military intelligence as well as the threats that might jeopardize national security. Number 1. Inter-Services Intelligence, ISI, Pakistan. Inter-Services Intelligence, or more commonly known as the
Number
ISI,
one.
is the intelligence service of Pakistan. Agency was founded by an Australian-born British Army general back in 1948. It is said that ISI has most number of field agents in the world. Yes, more than CIA or MI6. Never an ISI agent has been caught or has ever accepted being one.
ज़बरदस्त. So ये थे 10 best intelligence agencies in the world, starting by China number 10, Australia number 9, Canada number 8, France number 7, and RAW number 6, India, and Germany number 5, USA number 4, and UK number 3, Israel number 2, and Pakistan ISI number 1. So बिल्कुल एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करी थी कि USA वाला इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी जो है वो नंबर 4 पे होगा, और रॉ इंडिया जो है वो नंबर 6 पे है, और इज़राइल नंबर 2, एंड देन पाकिस्तान इज़ नंबर 1. सो इंटेलिजेंस सर्विस पाकिस्तान की नंबर 1 है. देखकर मतलब बहुत खुशी हुई है, बहुत प्राउड फील कर रही हूँ दैट पाकिस्तान इंटेलिजेंस सर्विस इज़ नंबर 1 इन द वर्ल्ड. उसके बाद है इज़राइल. ओके, सो ये भी जानने को मिला है कि ISI जो है वाज फाउंड इन 1948, मतलब वेरी सून आफ्टर द इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ पाकिस्तान. सो ये वीडियो देखकर बहुत अच्छा लगा है, बहुत कुछ जानने को मिला है, सीखने को मिला है, एंड आई वाज इम्प्रेस्ड दैट रियली पाकिस्तान इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी ISI इज़ नंबर 1 इन द होल वर्ल्ड. होपफुली कि अभी तक है, क्योंकि ये वीडियो जो है वो 2019 के हिसाब से है शायद, तो अभी का मुझे नहीं पता कि रैंकिंग वैसे ही है या चेंज हो गई. होपफुली कि वही है. And thank you so much for suggesting me this video. I really liked it, and see you in the next one. Till then, अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. फ़ी अमानिल्लाह.
मैंने देखा पाकिस्तान, जहाँ से मेरा धरती